Syncro, take one.
Oh, yes, okay.
Mr. Science here with my laddie here.
We are about to do a great demonstration
Okay, get on there,
of
man.
what happens when you use old-fashioned marketing. You take this can.
Hey, man. Give me that bubble stuff.
Now, shall I fire into their face? There we go.
Touch the table.
Are you ready?
What happened to the bubble?
There goes.
I got it. Go, make
Okay. Next. Pull this up. There we go. Oh, this is great stuff, folks. Yes, this is great stuff.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is...
Anyone want a drink?
Hello out there.
Hello.
This is Bubble Man.
Okay, man. All right, Graham, you get on. Mom, get on.
Baby!
Here's the tarantula, folks.
Get on.
Come on.
Hey,
All
stop
right, Steve,
pushing!
get up.
Oh.
What's happening?
You'll have time. The faster you work. Get up quick.
Baby!
What levels, Ev?
How about my leg breaking? How about a little strip tease? Oh, yeah. That's what I need.
All right,
That's what
let's
I
liven
need.
it up here. Get some more bubbles going, Ev. All right. Believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen.
Bay West, come up and see me.
Bay West.
Come up and see me.
Hey, where's that thing? Out there.
Hey,
Come on, sing
someone
Bubble
work on the
Man.
boat.
Bubble Man. With all the bubbles in the air.
Pierre, Sean Pierre.
Ah!
Back into the picture here.
One for her.
Showbiz!
Still got a little left.
Just a little left. Well, let's go. Let's liven it up. Time for the grand finale here, ladies and gentlemen. With the bubble stuff, Evan.
Over here.
Give it to me.
Come on. Hey, table spawn. We got match. Oh, wet matches. My favorite. Hey, let's have some soap. Now, have some soap. In for doors. I stole them. Soap. Whoa!
No more. I'll cut it out. You're getting the lens when you bastards. Cut it out. Stop it.
Oh, Steve.
All right, we got a couple more seconds. No more of that.